know, it's insane. Is this like what I want for my 30s? My new weapon. I'm not ready to be a mom. Live, laugh, love. The set! Good morning. Sorry, I need a trim. My bangs are too long and there was definitely like a piece of hair in my eye, and then let's redo that. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. As you can tell, we are ready. I made a fresh cup of coffee that honestly looks amazing. I actually have been I've been on such a matcha kick. I haven't really had like that much coffee lately. I know, it's insane. I don't know, it just sounded good today, you know? Just a little, sounded good. Also, I am in such a cleaning mood today, and that never happens. I get in intense cleaning moods maybe like 3 times a year. Maybe twice. And today, it's probably because I have so much other shit I need to do and get done. The house is bothering me, and I feel like I can't get my work done until I just clean it just a little bit, you know? But my plans today were not to clean. They were to film. I have a few main channel videos that I'm working on, but this is just bothering me. I'm usually never this person who needs everything all organized. But like, shit. Is this like what I wanted for my 30s? You know what I mean? Another thing that's really been bothering me is my glam room. Now that my bedroom's done, I feel like now I go into my glam room and I'm like, we need to fix this. See, it's not that it's horrible. I actually cleaned this the other day. Like, this is it, like semi-clean. The main thing is like, yes, I get it. It's messy, it's dirty. But like in my head, I'm like, the tripod, like I could clean this really quick, which we're gonna do right now because clearly I'm procrastinating filming. What really bothers me about this room is the fact that I haven't been able to use this mirror in months because I have this clothing rack here. And before, when I had the couch along this wall, there was really no other spot for it. But now that the couch is gone, I think I want to move the clothing rack. I want to move this clothing rack to this wall. So this whole wall is just a wall of clothing racks. But in doing that, that means I have to move all of this stuff too. So here's to procrastinating what you really need to do and doing something else that you really could do any other day and time, but you choose, of course, the worst time to do it. Welcome to my life. Let's do this. These, I don't know where they're gonna go. I don't want to get rid of them, but there's no room in the guest room, so I'm kind of torn. For now, they can go there. This we can take apart. Slay. This ring light stand has been broken, but I just need a screw because the light still works. But this one is so janky. I think this was like my first ring light I ever bought, which is, she's old. She's been through some shit. She's been through a lot of back to school videos. She's been through a lot of saturation. She's been through, let's just say a lot. She's been through a lot. See, half of it's already clean. All of this needs to go in my actual closet. Okay. The reason why I really like having clothing racks is because I'm such a visual person. Like, if I don't physically see a piece of clothing, like I'll forget I own it, which is such a problem. Also, can we talk about how sick this is? Is this not the coolest blazer you've just ever seen? That's so heavy. Oh my god, not me sweating. Why did I choose today to do this? If we move this nightstand or side table, also this can go in the real guest room. Y'all, I'm out of breath. Then we can slide this baby all the way back. Cute. So my game plan here is we have the which they're different. I wonder if they can at least be the same height. I should have got the same ones that I had before. Game plan is that here I have more of my newer clothes that I haven't really worn yet. I'm trying to still figure out how to style or like new things. For instance, I bought these boots. If they are in their box in my closet, I'll never wear them because I'll never see them. So the goal is to set out newer stuff that I have so I don't forget that I own it. And I can also have a spot where I can hang outfits that I style and put together. This one I color coded the other day. This one I have not yet. I mean, it's really just like neutrals and stuff. I'm kind of thinking putting jackets in a closet. This is kind of the same idea that I had before with the poles, except this will just hold so much more clothes. That's where I'm at right now. I honestly really loved the poles that were there. Really, they just weren't built sturdy enough. So for now, we have the clothing racks. I'm debating if I want to put them back. Part of me is like kind of over it, but either way, I need to fill the holes that have ruined this wall. It's fine. Here's what we're looking at. This is all going into my room, so I'm not worried about that. The bench, I think I'm gonna put in the guest room or downstairs, so that's easy. Suitcase needs to go downstairs, so that's also easy. But the main thing is honestly shoes, so let's put these over here. Okay, popped off, Alicia. That took what, 15 minutes, 10 minutes? Am I in my cleaning era? Just kidding, because this is still, okay, being so transparent. Clearly this is all still here. All of this needs to go in my real closet. I just need to clean that up. But as a whole, okay, so much better. We have the racks over here. I tried doing the shoes color coordinated and then I was like, you know what, we'll do that another time too. But we put the ones over there. But my favorite part, so we can finally use this mirror again. It's genuinely been so long. I think it's been like 6 months since I've seen my face in this mirror, so we love that. I'm excited to do my, you know, the outfit pics and stuff, so. I do still have a lot of tennis shoes, but I feel like these don't need to be in this room. Like I said, I want this one to be more like newer stuff or even just things that I'm like wanting to style versus like my black Vans, obviously. Those are just staples. Like I feel like most of this can go into my real closet too. So there's that. I also need to find a good system for my hats. I feel like I've yet to find a good storage system for my hats. I don't want them like on the wall or anything. I mean, I guess I could hang them there. Ma'am. She thinks I'm leaving because I got the suitcase out. Don't worry, I'm just putting the suitcase away. We're not going anywhere. Oh, also I got Chloe, oh my god, I got Rosie a new collar because I wanted her to have a pretty one. She had a black one before, but I feel like this one just makes us look so pretty, so gorgeous. Also, ew, I need a vacuum. See, now I'm like, now I need a vacuum. Hey guys, just interrupting the vlog to give a shout out to today's sponsor, which is, you guessed it, Casetify. I love that you no longer have to choose between having a cute phone case or one that actually protects your phone. I know you guys have also seen stuff all about the iPhone 14. Like, I'm actually really excited for it to come out with especially the island display thing at the top. Not only are they working on new cases for the new phones coming out, they also have trademarked an Echo Shock technology for their impact cases, and basically it has 20% more protection. Their protection is 5 times the military standard, which is insane. They even raised the height from 6 and 9 feet to 11.5 feet. You can drop your phone and not have to worry about it. Their iPhone 14 cases are also made from 65% recycled and plant-based material. They're also partially made from upcycled phone cases as part of their Recasetify program, giving new life to post-consumer waste. So if you want 15% off your Casetify order, all you have to do is go to www.casetify.com/AlishaMarie. You can get 15% off your entire order. It'll automatically be applied at checkout. You don't need a promo code, and you can get a really cute, sleek, but protective phone case. Anyways, let's get back to the vlog and see how my day's going. I didn't mean to do that. Rosie, down. Come on, down. Come on. No. My new weapon. She'll move the second I do this, okay? I'm gonna put it on, okay? Vacuum the bed. This thing works so good. I have a call in literally 1 minute, but I want to finish this so bad. Guys, I really am sweating and I'm such an idiot for getting ready. I woke up, I was like, I'm gonna get ready early. It's gonna be great. And I just didn't think this through. However, the kitchen's clean. My glam room is halfway. Rosie, down. No. No. Rosie, come on. No, honey. Come here. I'm not ready to be a mom. Okay, I'm 2 minutes late to my call. Abigail and Joy want to talk to you and remember about Patreon. They're running. Oh! They pushed it 30 minutes. We love that. So, wow, I'm early. Who knew? Now I feel like I can sit and make my to-do list today. Guys, I really am sweating. It makes me feel a little better because I was like, come on, it is hot. Okay. I got a new notebook. This is just, I actually got this a while ago when I went to Staples with TK. It's just like a moleskin journal, but it's like a flimsy one. I think it's like a pro moleskin, I don't know. I think it's part of their pro line, which I didn't know they had. It's a professional line or something. You guys know I'm a hoe for this stuff. I think I'm gonna like the setup because just a plain notebook page, like I feel like I have so many thoughts and then I have like sub thoughts where I wanna like write in the corner and then, you know what I mean? Where this one, there's a date at the top. There's almost like a little header thing right here. The normal notes area. And then there's also this side column. So I feel like if I have an afterthought or something, I can like write it here on the side, which I really like. And I feel like this reminds me of like my college notes. I feel like that's kind of like the format I used to use, but we'll see. So does anyone else write stuff on their to-do list that they've already done just so they can cross it off? Cause me, I put upload vlog. I already uploaded it, but you know what? It makes me feel good. So we can check her off. I have like 2 hours before I need to leave because Rim and I are going on Manny and Laura's podcast later tonight. That's around 5-ish. It's almost 2. So I have like, 2 hours to film. I need to outline that. That's my problem. Because I'm like, okay, film. What do I film? Okay, y'all. I just posted a TikTok and I was reading the comments. They were so interesting. So I wanted to ask it in this video too. One, if you don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me, y'all. I feel like I'm actually like finding my groove with it. But I posted a video and I basically said, what do you feel like YouTube offers a viewer that TikTok doesn't? Like, even if you're a creator, I'm not talking from the creator standpoint. I mean, I think a lot of people always say that like there's more money in YouTube or whatever, like nothing like that, nothing analytically wise, like just you as a viewer, what do you feel like YouTube does offer that TikTok can't or doesn't? I'm like so interested in the comments right now. There was one that said, I can watch YouTube all day and I feel productive and like happy, but if I'm on TikTok all day, it's so draining. And I was like, that is tea, because I feel that, but 2, there is something very draining about scrolling on your phone all day, where like if you have YouTube up on your TV and you're doing other things or you're just like relaxing, it feels like you're just watching TV all day. So I'm like, that is so interesting. I kind of like randomly filmed that and I didn't know how it would, like I was trying not to worry about like how it would do, but I was just like, oh, this is just like a random thing. Now I'm like so invested. I'm like, oh my God, like this is so interesting. YouTube is such a warm place. You watch what you want to, not what they make you watch. It's just interesting because so many platforms are trying to be like TikTok. So it makes me think like, what does TikTok not have that the other platforms do? I feel the exact same way. Or I'm like, not that I'm less interested in TikTokers, but like I don't even care to follow that many people on TikTok because I'm like, oh, I'll see their videos in my For You. Does that make sense? Like, we're on YouTube, if I come across someone who I'm obsessed with, like, and I really like, I'm like, oh my God, I have to subscribe. I don't want to miss out. But I feel like on TikTok, there's a lot of creators who I do like, but I have no desire to follow them the way that I do on YouTube or Instagram. The ability to consciously decide what to watch rather than an algorithm. Old YouTuber collabs, yes! A lot of people are saying like community, creative. They're saying, one of the top comments right now says that like creators' editing style on YouTube are more personal and original, where like on TikTok, everyone just copies everyone else. And I was like, that's also tea. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna start asking more questions like this shit because I'm like so invested. Anyways, comment below what you think because I'm also gonna read all of these comments too. I'm like, this stuff just fascinates me. It's so interesting. And I completely forgot I have a call right now. Let me do that.
Yeah, it's the first
Hello. She got ready today. Update, we changed. We also got a matcha. Lighting's kind of funky, but I just came to Rem's. I'm picking her up because we're gonna go on full coverage podcast. I think it's like 20 minutes from here. And it was on my way, so I was like, let me just pick you up and then we can go. Also wearing the Parallel apparel, white square neck. Comment below if you want it restock. Honestly, this one is my favorite. My all-time favorite Parallel item is the white square neck. I know some people don't like white because it can get dirty, but like I love a white crop. I love. Live, laugh, love. I swear we don't plan this.
Same page.
And I never really wear black and white.
I only do to match my hat, and I'm only wearing this hat to cover my tape and extension, so.
You didn't even tell me you were gonna do that. We're literally matching. I love it. Who needs a publicist? You know what I mean?
No, truly.
Okay, we just got to their studio. Let's do it.
Let's do it. I didn't prep anything, so hopefully.
It's nice because we know them though.
That's true.
Oh, the set.
So this is like,
this is nice.
So this is Laura's like haven. This is Laura's area. This is where.
Shit from my house that I don't need.
Yeah.
That's how we put in our studio. Oh my God, it smells great.
Me.
Are you here? Yes.
What are you?
I feel like we have a lot in common. And I think it's our signs.
Okay, Google, turn bedroom blue.
Sure.
Shit. We did put. Wait, is this one on? Okay, Google, turn hue play to blue. There we go. Da 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 da. Okay, Google, change lights to pink. Slay. We're obviously home now. I feel like I can't see myself normal without my bangs now because I feel like my head looks like an egg. The podcast was so much fun. I really love meeting with other creators, especially like OG ones. Like I like meeting with new creators, but also OG ones, because it's just like there's certain things that you're just like, oh my god, you get it. And I felt like we like talked about a lot of stuff on the pod, just about like TikTok and YouTube and everything that I was talking about earlier, which made me be like, holy shit, like this is a good conversation. So go listen to their podcast. It's full coverage. I'm not sure when it's coming out. I think it's probably gonna come out like in a week or two, and then we're gonna have them on our podcast. But right now we're kind of like booked out with guests, so we're just trying to find a time that works, but they will be on ours. So also peep the parallel apparel top. This is the cropped logo tee. I low-key love sleeping in it. Also just wearing for like chill things. I don't know, but it's one of my favorite t-shirts, to be honest. Also, I had someone recently compliment me on my skin, and you guys know I've been putting so much more effort into my skin lately. And I was saying how, well, one, I've been seeing like a facialist esthetician, which has been game changing, but also she recommended to like triple cleanse, like not even double cleanse, like triple cleanse. And I've low-key been doing it. I've been using, this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So first I'll do a cleansing balm. We've gotten rid of the makeup wipes. I'll still use them like rarely every now and then if I'm like desperate need, but for the most part, I use a cleansing balm, rub it all over, like suds it up, you know? Then go in with cleanser and wash it off. Okay, normally I would be like, okay, I cleanse my skin twice, like this should be enough. Now go in again with more cleanser. You definitely obviously go through more product, but I swear, like I can still see makeup in my pores. So we're going in for a third time. Well, for a second time with the cleanser, a third time total. And I feel like now that most of the makeup's gone, like this can actually cleanse the real skin underneath. And I feel like my skin has gone so much better from just like really making sure that the makeup is out of the pores. Look at me being a little influencer beauty guru. Like now, my skin actually feels clean now. And because I use like a gentle cleanser, it's not too harsh, so it's not drying to like cleanse that much. Wow, now I just look like pasty white, but I should do like an updated actual skincare routine sometime soon, because I truly have never had better skin. And that says a lot for me, because I feel like I've always struggled with like texture, pores, redness, like all the things. Like I'd gone to a dermatologist, they put me on spironolactone. Like there's so, like I feel like that's a whole other video. But I also know skin is so specific to everyone, so obviously like my shit's not gonna work for everyone. But what if it helps someone? Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you with new vlogs.